Welcome to this video on how fast charging really works. We will demystify the physics, charging phases, and common battery health myths surrounding this technology. This video will explore the core concepts of fast charging, including voltage versus amperage, the power equation, and the two-stage charge cycle. To understand charging, think of voltage as water pressure and amperage as the flow volume. Higher voltage pushes energy with more force, while amperage controls the number of electrons moving. Total wattage or power is calculated by multiplying voltage and current, P equals V times I. Before charging, your phone and charger perform a handshake to agree on the maximum safe wattage. Fast charging uses a two-stage cycle. Phase 1 uses constant current for rapid filling up to about 80%. Phase 2 switches to constant voltage or, quote, trickle charge to protect the battery and top it off. In Part 2, we address a common concern. Does fast charging damage batteries? We will separate scientific fact from the fear of high-speed charging. Modern phones feature a power management unit, or PMU, which acts as a digital gatekeeper. It constantly monitors temperature and throttles charging speed to prevent overheating and subsequent damage. The real enemy of battery health is thermal stress. Factors like intense heat, using the device while charging, insulating cases, and high ambient temperatures accelerate battery wear far more than the charging speed itself. Fast charging speeds vary significantly. While a standard charge is 5 watts, ultra-fast charging can reach 120 watts or more, often utilizing dual-cell battery designs to split the load and maintain safety. For best battery care, follow the 20 to 80% rule to reduce voltage stress. Use official, certified charging gear and always keep your phone cool, removing its case if it feels hot during charging. Finally, let's look at some common myths. Smart PMUs prevent overcharging, safety protocols prevent explosions, and frequent top-ups are actually better for your battery than draining it to zero.